a Romanian mathematician by formation and investment manager by career, with 20 years experience in energy, up to board level. I founded Romanian-Malaysian Business Network to increase the bilateral trade in goods, services, and intelligence between the two countries. It has 70 members from business and academia. Limited global warming is the big problem that now is amplified by Putin's war in Ukraine. I'm developing a research consortium to apply for EU research grants with some solutions to this problem. Apart from my country, Romania, we are also looking for a second EU member state research entity to join our project. This research project will develop intellectual property for these applications. First project is with University Malaysia Pahang and addresses the high cost of decommissioning for the 7,000 ASEAN offshore oil and gas rigs by 2030. Petronas' balance sheet has $7 million for each rig, with estimated cost of $2 billion in next 3 years. We plan to use the rigs as mooring points for floating solar hubs that will power applications like green hydrogen from seawater and carbon capture with storage. According to World Bank, floating photovoltaics (FPV) output is 15% higher than ground-mounted solar and 20% more expensive because of mooring and float costs. Compared to Europe, Malaysian oil rigs are facing reduced waves or wind, and rigs as mooring points are an optimal choice. FPV-powered electrodialysis and electrolysis for in-situ applications do not depend on supply chain infrastructure. Ocean carbon removal and sequestration startups are already funded by carbon credits, and Sarawak has legislated that this year. Existing submarine gas pipelines can be reused for pumping green hydrogen. Our second project is with University Malaysia Sarawak for the reduction of methane emissions of palm oil industry that represents 66% of total. Palm oil meal effluent or POME ponds emissions can be controlled by reducing the time of water separation and clarification from months to days. Biogas is not feasible on all existing mills without gas infrastructure and sometimes is flared into atmosphere when in excess. Electrocoagulation, EC, is an emerging technology in wastewater treatment. You can see videos and its effect in few minutes. It separates 85% of suspended solids, oxygen demand, and turbidity from water. After EC separation, the concentrated POME can be collected with biogas-powered trucks to a centralized biogas plant, sharing the infrastructure cost between multiple mills on a 200-kilometer radius. You have a picture with an aerial view of a 4 megawatts FPV plant on 12% of POME ponds of a mill in Sarawak that can power 10% of total consumption and has a return on investment of 12%. Here are some FPV design that shows they are not converging like in wind turbine cases. So IP research projects have a high value potential. The companies in these pictures are for France, Holland, Germany, Norway, and Singapore. Please contact me if you need details on or you know someone interested to join our consortium with my WhatsApp QR code. Thank you for your attention.